There's a med kit on me.
What the fuck was that? What the fuck was that? Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I decided to switch the intro up a little bit. The poorly drawn on intro was kind of booty cheeks, but now you got my booty cheeks camera. Look at this. It's not good. I know it. You don't need to comment about it. I know it's bad. But today we played Panic 4. If you haven't heard of this game already, go feel free to check out my other video. Explains it there too. But it's a game where if you make sound, this happens. And there's something strange happening in your brain. So yeah, that's the general gist of it. So without further ado, I'm a YouTuber. Hold up. If you like the video, please feel free to like the video. That sucks. If you like the video, if you
This is how the story goes. I am in the thick of it. Everybody knows.
Oh, here's a hammer.
Boom, bam, bop, bada bop, boom, pow.
Alright, so find the things and do the things, yeah?
Yep.
It will very much hear you now. It will hear the fuck out of you. Be careful. Damn! You're cheeked up. God damn!
You took him right to me.
You got this out of this. The amount of clicking I hear from your mic, you're like so intensely gaming. What the f?
Why couldn't you just shut up?
Dude, why'd you revive me when it was feet away?
Because you kept talking.
My goodness.
If you
Who's over here while you're talking?
shut up. Shut up.
I'm in the thick of it, everybody knows. They know me where it's
Hello? Oh. Hi. How are you?
Why, thank you.
You can break down doors.
Yes.
No! Yes, he can break down doors.
Why did he ask that? Why did he go? They can break down doors?
Got it!
Where should we go, guys?
I have a brick!
Climactic.
Hey, Nutman, are you there? I have a brick. He's in there.
Oh shit! You brought him into me. Crazy girl.
It wasn't my fault. It was Nugget's fault.
Just wait until I show you the recording. It was not. That shit on me.
It was all your fault.
No, it wasn't, I swear! Gosh darn it! How did?
How can I be homophobic? My boyfriend's gay. Hitman in a bum, try see a man.
Eight. And there's something strange happening in your brain. Oh, you gotta go!
I mean, you're pretty good at looking like a snack.
Kill him. Jeez. Jeez. Why do you not have like any hands or anything? You just got little pokers.
Get me up!
What?
Get me up!
Get you up?
I'm yelling to try and get you. Get you, kid. Get you, kid.
I thought you weren't here. Stop it! Stop! It's what you get. Brick. Motor oil. Door. Peanut Man. Brick. Yes. Who like that door?
What are you doing, step bro?
Who's sniffing that? Mmm. Uh-oh. Is it? Brick.
They say, wait, they don't want me like I love you.
Mmm. Okay. Are you not dead? Can you die? I just tabbed back into you going,
Oh my gosh.
He sucked the tip of it, loves it in his throat. I told him he should blow.
I can smell you.
Oh, what the? What?
Go, 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 go!
run.
Oh, I got stuck. That's so annoying. There's a med kit on me.
Come over here and kiss me on my hot mouth.
What the fuck was that? What is that? Oh my god. Broken key. God damn it.